guys, thank you for tuning in to Cryptologic Miner. So I wanted to do a review on a AAAWave frame version 2 that they've come out recently. I just happened to get my hands on one. Go to AAAWave.com, check them out. They got some awesome mining gear and some other computer components. The version 2 is like I said, just recently came out. It comes in all black aluminum frame. The prior one was aluminum, silver look to it, which was an excellent frame, but they just came out with this one. So I was lucky enough to get my hands on it. It is a 12 GPU mining frame, all aluminum frame. I'm not sure if I'm going to put 12 GPUs on this yet. The one nice thing about having more space is you can kind of space the cards out, and obviously with the amount of heat they're putting out, this helps keep things at a lower temperature. Even if you don't use all 12 slots available, the spacing does help to minimize the heat. Anyways, enjoy the time lapse in the video. Thank you for tuning in.